So imagine this is you, and you go to school, then you see everyone camping in your classroom. Alamak! Banjir! Every year Banjir, Habislah Malaysia. Floods are caused by poor irrigation systems, deforestation, rubbish clogging longgang, and the conditional hujan luar biasa, aka climate change. Water no place to go, so they tumpang at your home. What to do? Yeah, this one time only ma. Can lah. Hello, flood comes back every year. Flood survival can save lives, and you can learn that in my game. Follow us on social media. #EveryYearBanjir.